I seem to have a bit of a PC problem right now. That might have been a little bit dramatic, but the matter of the fact is, this PC isn't really doing it anymore. I can't edit videos on it, and I definitely can't play any modern games on it either. So I think it's time we build a new one. I've got 3 goals for what I actually want to achieve with my new PC build. I want it to be powerful enough to run everything I need, super cute and a little bit cozy, and honestly just small enough to fit on my desk. This isn't some crazy fast build, so I'm not going to go through every single different component here, but if you're curious, I'll link it somewhere in the description. One thing that does actually matter is the case, because without this, I couldn't really build a PC that looks very cute. Here it is. It's a Cooler Master NR200P. I'm gonna quickly throw out the rubbish that I've somehow already accumulated, and we're gonna build this. So the CPU cooler I got came with this black fan originally, which it's low profile and I'm sure it would do a nice job, but for my configuration, I kind of wanted something with a bit more aesthetics. So I ended up getting some of these fans from a brand that I have never heard of. So I'm gonna put one of these ones onto the cooler so it looks a bit nicer. Hopefully it still works just as well. I guess we'll see. So the time has finally come to see if this thing is actually gonna work. So I'm gonna plug it in and yeah, let's fire this up because why not? Let's see. Well, that's really good. I was a little bit stressed it wasn't gonna turn on, to be entirely honest. And honestly, it's not super loud. Like, it's not the quietest PC because those fans aren't super quiet, but I don't mind it, honestly. So now that it's all set up and everything, I'm gonna go update it, install Windows, all that kind of boring stuff. Considering how slow my internet is, it's probably gonna take like overnight at least, so I'll see you tomorrow, I guess. I know I said it was only going to be a week, but honestly, I've been having a lot of fun and working full time. This little machine though has been handling everything just amazing. I've been playing a bunch of Baldur's Gate 3 and it's running at 1440p, so my native monitor resolution, no problems whatsoever, which I'm very much enjoying. Going from my Switch to this machine has really felt like I'm stepping into the future almost with technology. It also means I can play a bunch of titles like especially Red Dead Redemption 2, which I've been waiting quite a long time to play as well. Wish I had more time to play those games, but you know, what can you do? There is one more upgrade I want to make to this PC, which is adding a little screen onto the outside of the power supply. I'm still waiting on parts for that though, so I'm going to make it a separate video or a short probably. To say I'm loving this little PC would be a bit of an understatement. It's been really, really fun so far. It's great. I do want to give it a name though, but I haven't really had any good ideas for that just yet. That's all for now though, so I'll see you in the next upload.